Hi everyone, Nick Cordellini here at Bill Jacobs BMW. Today we're going to discuss the My BMW app. This is a brand new app. We're in the brand new BMW iX. We're going to go over the application, see how it's going to work for you. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel. To start off, to find the My BMW app, go into your phone's Google Play Store on Android or your App Store on your iPhone. So guys, once you download the My BMW app, first thing you're going to want to do is register your account. After you register your account, you add your vehicle utilizing the vehicle supplied VIN number that is located on the interior door sill of your car, or also on the key tag when you purchase your vehicle. Once everything is on here, you'll see that your vehicle has been completely uploaded. Once again, we're right now in the 2022 BMW iX. Starting off, this is the main page of the My BMW app. You'll see the all good located in big bold letters is letting us know that everything is okay and all set to go with the vehicle from an initial standpoint. Scrolling down, you will see on an electric vehicle your state of charge. Current percentage of the vehicle is 79% with a range of 220 miles. Other useful items, you can lock and unlock the vehicle, flash the lights, honk the horn, or even precondition the vehicle for heating and cooling the BMW vehicle with the iX. Vehicle location is given to you. You do have your remote control cameras, which allows, with option vehicles, a 3D surround view. BMW digital key, available on Android and Apple devices now, and a remote history. Really important, especially for electric vehicles, is your charging history. Kilowatt hours will be shown here, and the amount of charging sessions that you have will also be shown on the right hand side. Continuing on, we do have the vehicle locator. If you ever wonder where you parked, especially at a mall, you can definitely see where the vehicle is located and get walking directions straight to it. The little globe here will give you My BMW News. This is the latest and greatest information regarding BMW USA and BMW as a company in general. Concept vehicles, new information will all be listed here as well. And finally, the biggest and best improvement on the right hand side is your My BMW profile, allowing access to BMW financial services, to make payments whether you lease or finance, the BMW online shop, and BMW Connected Drive store. If you guys have any further questions, contact Bill Jacobs BMW, see your client advisor, or contact a BMW Genius. One of the other features of the My BMW app is your BMW profile section. The profile section will allow you to access useful information regarding your financial services account with BMW Financial. Whether you lease or finance the vehicle, you can also make payments through this location as well. BMW Online Shop will allow you to shop for accessories as well as other goods for your vehicle. And BMW Connected Drive Store will allow you to purchase services for your BMW, such as remote start for capable vehicles that do have those services. Other useful information that you can also access is scheduling service with Bill Jacobs BMW directly through the application without even the need to pick up a phone. Well, there you have it, guys. How to use the My BMW app. If you have any further questions or you want more information, visit us at BillJacobsBMW.com or contact your client advisor or your BMW product specialist.